Today I'll be answering one of the most common questions I've been getting through the DMs. So a lot of people are asking, what's the best camera for a beginner, whether you're doing photo or video? Well, I've been a Sony guy for a few years now, so I'm a little bit biased. But what I'd recommend is something like the Sony a6400. So they're really affordable. They can shoot 4K at 30 FPS, incredible camera. If you're a Canon shooter, I don't judge you, but the Canon M50 is also a really good place to start. So both cameras actually have some really good specs. Very similar. The Sony does have a slightly longer battery life, more focus points, so it's able to autofocus a bit better, but both really good options. If you're looking for something slightly more higher end, the Sony a7 III you just can't go wrong with. So at the moment in Australia, you can get them used for about 1,600 Australian dollars, and also the the Lumix GH5, also another really good option. Do your research, find out what you're after, and just compare your options. One really good website I like using is called cameradecision.com. So with that website, you can put two cameras side by side, you can compare their strengths and weaknesses, and it even gives you an overall score based on video quality, image quality, size, a lot of different metrics and features of each camera. So there you go. Shoot me a DM if you have any more questions.